Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change or scale down your projects in AutoCAD. First of all, we have to create some kind of objects. I don't want to really do it on those, so let's create a fresh one. So, okay, let's create something out of the box, maybe something like this. I don't know. Let's go like that. I can also maybe use this endpoint and pull it like that. Okay guys, so how we can scale down this object? It's too big for our perception or for our need. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to make an block out of it. So as you can see right now, it's just one block, oh well, one object, not one block, and one object. So I'm gonna scratch it in. I'm gonna click on insert, and also I'm gonna create a block. So it's gonna be block number 5. Oh, sorry, hiccup. Block number 5. Okay, now as you can see, we have one healthy block going for us. So how we can scale it down? Let's say we want to scale it down by 20%. We are going to scratch in the block and click with your right click and go to properties. In properties, we have a couple of options. We have general, 3D visualization, geometry, and miscellaneous. Now we are only interested in scale X and scale Y. Now, if I want to scale it down by 20%, I want to write down like this. And then scale Y will be also 0.8. And we managed to shrink our object. The Z line is for 3D modeling. It's actually a height or depth of an object. You can also go like 0.5, 0.5, and we are at the half of what we had before. So that's quite easy, I would say. So let me know what do you think, and leave some comments underneath this video, and I'll try to answer you as quickly as I can. Thank you guys for watching this video, and always you can show love by liking and subscribing if you feel like. Nothing, no pressure, just say it out there. Thank you guys for watching it again, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.